Hello, my name is Sasaki from Shizuoka University. This is a pre-recorded presentation for the 2023 meeting for Virtual MathPsych. Our topic is moral judgments as a combination of distributed language representation and memory activation mechanism. We begin with the background of our research. Today, the implication of autonomously operating machines like self-driving cars in human society is often being discussed. And in such a topic, the alignment of human and computer moral decision is an important issue. An in-depth understanding of human morality will become necessary in thinking systems, so in our research, we created a computational model of moral judgment by using a cognitive architecture ACT-R. Next, we talk about the dual process theory, which explains that humans use two different modes of thinking like this picture here below. The blue elephant represents System 1, the main process of thinking based on sentiment and heuristics. And the red human above represents System 2, which intervenes when necessary to make more complex decisions. And our human moral judgment can be also explained by this theory. As a task of our model, we use the trolley problem, which is one of the famous thought experiments in moral judgment. In our research, switch and fatman case scenario are used as test cases to see the switching between System 1 and System 2. Humans make System 2 based decisions in switch case, but in fatman case it's different. People make decisions based on System 1. And we want to see this difference also with our model. Here you can see the full image of our model. A Japanese text of a trolley problem is shown to the ACT-R model, which already has pre-stored memories of news articles. And it reads each sentences in order and decides whether it should push or not the target, based on availability heuristics using its own memories. And here in this slide, you can see the flowchart of the process. Distributed language models are used to calculate sentiments and similarities in System 1. And the model retrieves news cases similar to each reading sentences based on similarities and activation, like the known characteristics of availability heuristics. And in the end, the model makes decisions based on sentiments derived by the retrieved cases. If the sentiment is mixed, it starts to read the text again and rethinks, which we describe it as an intervention of System 2. This is the result of our simulations by 9 models using different news sites for pre-stored memories. For both switch case and fatman case, simulations were run 1000 times. On the right side, you can see the percentages where the model decided to push and percentages where the model got stuck in a loop of rethinking. It shows that the final decisions of our model were strongly influenced by the sentiment of pre-stored cases in declarative memory. Significant differences between switch case and fatman case were seen in some models. However, System 2 was more used in fatman case than in switch case, which differs from the outcomes of human experiments as I mentioned before. So to summarize, we created a prototype model of the availability heuristics in moral judgments using distributed language models and ACT-R. Simulation showed that the decisions were strongly influenced by the sentiment of pre-stored cases in declarative memory. As our future work, since the switch from System 1 to System 2 in our model was based on sentiment, a redesign to a more deliberate version of System 2 is necessary. Thank you for watching.